Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to change your birthday on Snapchat. Updating your birthday ensures that your profile reflects accurate information and allows you to enjoy special features. So, let's get started on how to change your birthday on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app. Go to your Snapchat profile by tapping on the top left corner of your screen. Tap on the settings option from the top right corner of the screen. Here you can find the birthday option. Tap on it. Use the date slider to adjust your birthday to the correct one. Now tap on the continue button to proceed. Finally, tap on the OK button to save the changes. And this is how you can change your birthday on Snapchat. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.